Decarbonizing industry with hydrogen, bridging research, innovation, and industrial application. Every company talks about the future of energy, but only a few are actually building it. What if your business could test and develop hydrogen technologies right now in one of Germany's most advanced applied research labs? Manufacturing is the backbone of our economy, but it currently faces a dual crisis of regulatory pressure and systemic risk. In Germany, industry alone is responsible for 25% of all CO2 emissions, meaning national climate targets to reach net zero by 2045 cannot be met without changes in how energy is used in manufacturing processes. Heavy energy-consuming industries consume 45% of Germany's electricity. Any company that does not decarbonize its core processes will face operational instability. So how can you meet the requirements of heavy manufacturing with high efficiency and low emissions? Hydrogen. Hydrogen is a clean energy carrier that delivers power where electricity alone cannot meet industrial demand. By using renewable energy to split water, it provides a carbon-free fuel source that releases only water as a byproduct. BTU EIZ offers innovative new technologies for hydrogen production and its storage. Their mission is clear. They guide you from the very first idea to the final product, helping you turn your industrial goals into a reality. They make sure your projects are always based on the best and most updated available data. They provide a professional environment to design your equipment and use digital models to optimize your systems, allowing you to test new ideas without the high cost of physical setups. By joining their lab, you gain access to an ever-growing community of industry leaders and innovators to help you drive your business forward. The energy transition isn't waiting. It's like a giant wave that's already forming. So the real question isn't if things are going to change. The question is, are you going to be the one riding that wave or the one getting pulled under by it? Join the Hydrogen Lab at BTU EIZ, where innovation meets industry.